Mobile fighter jet game application with MIT App Inventor. The Mobile Fighter Jet game is a mobile application created with MIT App Inventor that allows players to control a fighter jet, fire missiles, and battle against enemy planes. The player moves the jet across the screen by dragging it with their finger while avoiding enemy projectiles. This project helps learners understand the basics of game development with MIT App Inventor, including animation, user input, event handling, and game loop design. It provides a fun and educational way to explore mobile app programming while creating a playable shooting game. Adding game images to the workspace. On the right side panel, look for the Media section and click on the Upload File button. A dialog will appear. Click Choose File, and select airplane.png file from your computer. After selecting, click OK. The image will now appear in the Media list. Repeat the process to upload your missile image and the 4 enemy images. Once uploaded, you can set these images as the picture property of an image sprite inside the canvas. Adding graphical components for the mobile application interface. In the Properties panel of Screen 1, set Align Horizontal Center. In the Properties panel, find the field title and replace the default text with Airplane Game. From the Drawing and Animation drawer, left palette, drag a canvas component onto your screen. In the Properties panel, right side. Height, choose a fill parent. Width, choose a fill parent. From the Drawing and Animation drawer, drag an image sprite onto your canvas. Click on Image Sprite 1 to select it. At the top of the Components panel, click the Rename button. In the dialog box, type Airplane. In the Properties panel, right side. Width and height, resize Airplane, e.g., 60 by 60 pixels. Picture, choose your uploaded airplane image. From the Drawing and Animation drawer, drag an image sprite onto your canvas. Click on Image Sprite 1 to select it and click the Rename button. In the dialog box, type Missile. In the Properties panel, right side. Width and height, resize Airplane, e.g., 20 by 20 pixels. Picture, choose your uploaded missile image. From the Drawing and Animation drawer, drag an image sprite onto your canvas. Click on Image Sprite 1 to select it and click the Rename button. In the dialog box, type Enemy 1. In the Properties panel, right side. Width and height resize enemy, e.g., 30 by 30 pixels. Picture choose your uploaded enemy image. Repeat the previous 3 steps to create sprite images for the other 3 enemies. From the User Interface drawer, drag a button component onto the screen. In the Components panel, select the button. Click Rename and change it to Reset. Modify the following properties. Font size set to 16. Font bold check, heavy check mark, the box to make the text bold. Text change it to Reset. In the Designer, go to the Sensors drawer and drag a clock component onto the screen. Rename it Missile_clock. Set time interval, e.g., 100 milliseconds, to control how fast the missile moves. In the Designer, go to the Sensors drawer and drag a clock component onto the screen. Rename it Enemy 1 Clock. Set time interval about 300 milliseconds to control speed of animation of the explosion of an enemy after a collision. Repeat the same logic for Enemy 2_clock, Enemy 3_clock, and Enemy 4_clock. Here's the basic program for the application. It's up to you to add anything you like. Go to the Blocks view. From Procedures, drag out a block to Procedure and rename it Reset. The reset procedure is used to activate the missile clock to ensure the missile can be launched and animated properly when the game restarts. The reset procedure deactivates the 4 enemy clocks to stop any ongoing explosion animations from previous collisions. The reset procedure places the airplane and missile in their initial positions to recenters the fighter jet and missile at their starting coordinates, giving the player a consistent beginning point. The reset procedure shows the enemies to make all enemy planes visible again so the player has new targets to fight against. The reset procedure hides the reset button to remove the reset option from the screen during gameplay. In the block section, from screen 1, drag the screen 1 dot initialize to call the reset procedure. In the block section, drag reset, click do to call the reset procedure. Go to the Blocks editor, find your airplane image sprite and drag out. When airplane, drag do. Inside the event, set the airplane's X coordinate to the drag position. In the blocks editor, drag out when missile_clock timer due. Inside this block, update the missile's Y position so it goes upward. Once all the enemies are destroyed, the game should stop running and give the player the option to restart. Go to the blocks editor. Drag out the event when enemy _clock timer due. Inside this block, change the picture of the explosion sprite in sequence. The explosion image will appear briefly. After a short delay, controlled by the clock, the enemy disappears. Apply the same logic for all enemies, enemy 2, enemy 3, and enemy 4. Each enemy will need its own clock, X, enemy 2 clock, enemy 3 clock, enemy 4 clock. Explosion animation in its clock, timer. Insert the when missile collided with event for each enemy, so that the collision activates the corresponding clock, timer enabled equals true, and shows the explosion. Insert when missile.edge reached event in MIT App Inventor. This event will reset the missile position back to the airplane, ready for the next shot. Click on Connect in the top menu and choose Emulator if you want to run it on your computer without a phone. Using the MIT App Inventor emulator is the fastest way to see your airplane game in action without building an APK every time. For more details you can visit our website robotique.site robotic guide.